video, we will be seeing an awesome person called William Henry Rakin. So, he was at the age of 1959. He was flying an aircraft. So here we have this aircraft. So this aircraft was flying in a feet of 47,000 feet, which is approximately 14,300 meters. So when he was flying this much height, it was going all good. But suddenly a thing happens, which means a snowstorm was going to hit him. So what he did was, so I'm just choosing my own colors. So the thunder comes off. So this thunder attacked his plane and somehow caught a plane his fire. So this fire, what he did was he can't keep it because there are oxygen in it. So this oxygen over here, oxygen is flammable. So what he did was he was just trying to eject the snow cap over here. So how does this happen? So over here, I'm just taking this page. Okay, over here we have this. So now this seat like this. Okay, so let's say here we have that person. So when he is flying off, there will be an seat ejection. So this has been powered up. So when he press a button called eject seat, this eject seat button, when he press it, his sheets pump off from it, allowing the glass to break and it goes. So why does this break? It can slowly let is because, so if we take this glass, this is how it is. So if you take this glass over here, we have this one. So here we have this glass. So this front of it, we have a nice layer of or coating like that. So now he can remove it. So here will be an motor, so which is powered by a green, and this is connected to it. So when he presses button, it slowly goes like this. But he can't do that because let's say we have this oxygen burning, we can't do anything. So they are breaking the glass and they are doing it. So now there will be something called a sparkle, so which gonna impress it, and a sudden boom happens. It actually breaks. So it breaks a bit. So this is how he was getting to that. So when finally he ejected, he was at 10,000 feet. At 10,000 feet, automatically his parachute was getting up. But at that time the parachute failed. And at that time we have a mushroom called a mushroom cloud. So this mushroom cloud is like the buffing thing over there. So now this is how we had it, and finally he somehow released the parachute. And you should make sure that he is at 47,000 feet and he was falling. So what happens? There is more degrees, like 52 degrees Celsius was his in hand. So while ejecting his plane, he lost one of these gloves. So he removed his gloves and he was in a freezing cold. But somehow he finally managed to and get it to the safe ground. After 5,000 feet, we didn't have nothing. but there was a strong wind over there. So now thank you guys.